The unable to mount USB device file system error is a common issue that prevents your Tesla from reading USB storage devices. This error disrupts essential features and affects a significant portion of Tesla owners. When this error occurs, it impacts critical Tesla features. Sentry mode cannot record security footage, Tesla Cam dash cam functionality stops working, and you lose the ability to play music from USB storage devices. The error stems from four primary causes. File system corruption accounts for 40% of cases, incompatible formatting causes 25%, hardware malfunctions represent 20%, and software conflicts make up the remaining 15% of mounting failures. Tesla's software updates through 2024 and early 2025 have introduced stricter USB handling protocols and enhanced security measures. The system has become more selective about which USB devices it will mount, though it now provides better error reporting to help diagnose issues. This error affects approximately 15 to 20% of Tesla owners who regularly use USB storage devices. The problem is more common among Model 3 and Model Y owners due to their frequent use of USB-dependent features like Sentry Mode and Tesla Cam. Tesla supports three main file system types with varying levels of compatibility. FAT32 is the recommended format with full support. exFAT is supported but has some limitations on older vehicle software. NTFS has limited support and is mostly read-only in most cases. For optimal performance and compatibility, use USB 3.0 or higher devices formatted as FAT32 with a master boot record partition table and 32 kilobyte cluster size. Note that FAT32 has a maximum file size limit of 4 gigabytes, which is important for long video recordings. Understanding these technical requirements and common causes of the USB file system mounting error is the first step toward maintaining reliable USB functionality in your Tesla vehicle. When facing Tesla USB mounting issues, start with these basic troubleshooting steps. First, test your USB device on a computer to verify it's working properly. Next, try different USB ports in your Tesla. Sometimes a specific port may have issues while others work fine. Perform a soft reset of Tesla's infotainment system by holding both steering wheel scroll buttons for 10 seconds, then reseat your USB device. If basic troubleshooting fails, the most reliable solution is complete reformatting. Format your USB drive to FAT32 with a 32 kilobyte cluster size and MBR partition table using your computer. You can also use file system repair tools. Windows users can run chdisk, while Linux and Mac users can use fsk to scan for and repair bad sectors. For best results, use high-quality USB 3.0 or higher devices. Avoid overfilling your storage and ensure proper ejection procedures to prevent future issues. Looking ahead, Tesla is moving toward cloud-based storage solutions, which may reduce reliance on USB drives. Regular maintenance and following these troubleshooting steps will keep your current setup working reliably.